This is how to change your Coinbase language. First thing you want to do is locate Coinbase in the App Store and update and install the Coinbase app. Once you've done that, let's go and open up the app. All right, as soon as you open up and log in, we're going to come up to this homepage right here in the top left. We're going to hit these dots. You're going to see your name at the top. Go to Profile and Settings. Here where it says Native Currency, we're going to press on that. And if we'd like to change whatever currency we're currently using, for mine it is United States USD. If I want to change it to a different currency, this is where I would do it from. But if we'd like to change our base language in the Coinbase app, we're going to head over to our iPhone settings. We're going to go down to General right here, where it says Language and Region. And from here, we're going to hit on Add Language. Whatever language you'd like to add, let's say, for example, I'll use Spanish. If we press the top one, say use Spanish, our phone will immediately start to restart and it will be rebooted into a whole new language. Or if we hit the second option, we will just add the language that we picked, but it will still be in the preferred language that we have it currently set in. Once you've done that, your language will be added here. And on the right side, we're going to hit and drag on these lines and then drag it all the way to the top. Once you've done that, we're going to press on continue to have our iPhone restart, and your phone will restart into a whole new language. That is how to change your Coinbase language.